Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add effects on TikTok videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now record a TikTok video as you normally would. Now tap on Effects option in the right hand side of your screen. You'll see several effects on the menu in the bottom of your screen. There are trending effects, quick effects, new effects, visual filters, motion filters, and so on. You can scroll through the menu to check out all the options. When you see one you wanna add, tap it to apply in your video. Now adjust what portion of your video the effect will appear on by moving the ends of the green overlay on your video timeline. Tap the play button to preview your video with the effect. When you finish adding effects, tap Save on the top right corner. Then continue posting TikTok as you normally would. And that is how you can add effects on TikTok videos. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.